Hi friends. Here is one of the best books to understand how money works for you. The Richest Man in Babylon, by George S. Clason is a timeless classic that offers financial wisdom through a collection of parables set in ancient Babylon. Here's a step-by-step summary of the key lessons from the book. 1. The Man Who Desired Gold. The story follows Akkad, the richest man in Babylon, who shares his secrets to wealth with a group of friends. He emphasizes the importance of saving and investing a portion of one's income to accumulate wealth over time. 2. The Richest Man in Babylon. Akkad recounts his journey from poverty to wealth through disciplined saving and investing. He emphasizes the power of compound interest and the importance of putting money to work to generate passive income. 3. 7 Cures for a Lean Purse. Akkad shares 7 principles for achieving financial success, including: start thy purse to fattening by saving at least 10% of your income. Control thy expenditures by distinguishing between wants and needs. Make thy gold multiply through wise investments. Guard thy treasures from loss by seeking advice from knowledgeable experts. Make of thy dwelling a profitable investment by owning your own home. Ensure a future income by investing wisely for retirement. Increase thy ability to earn by continually improving your skills and knowledge. 4. The 5 Laws of Gold. Akkad explains the 5 laws of gold, which are timeless principles for accumulating and preserving wealth. These laws include: gold comes easily and in increasing quantity to the person who saves at least 10% of their income. Gold labors diligently and multiplies when invested wisely. Gold clings to the cautious owner who seeks advice from knowledgeable experts. Gold slips away from the person who invests it in speculative ventures or extravagant purchases. Gold flees the person who trusts in unwise investments or risky schemes. 5. The Gold Lender of Babylon. The story illustrates the power of lending money at interest to generate passive income. It emphasizes the importance of lending money only to trustworthy individuals and ensuring that loans are repaid promptly. 6. The Walls of Babylon. The parable emphasizes the importance of protecting one's wealth from loss through diversification and risk management. It illustrates how unexpected events, such as war or natural disasters, can devastate wealth and the importance of being prepared. 7. The Camel Trader of Babylon. The story highlights the importance of taking calculated risks and seizing opportunities for wealth creation. It emphasizes the value of persistence, resourcefulness, and innovation in achieving financial success. Overall, The Richest Man in Babylon offers timeless principles for achieving financial success and building wealth through disciplined saving, wise investing, and prudent risk management. It serves as a practical guide for anyone seeking to improve their financial situation and achieve prosperity. To read the complete book, you can buy from the below mentioned link. Happy reading!